The manufacturing industry plays a vital role in India's economic development by creating employment, increasing exports, and contributing to GDP. However, the sector faces several challenges that limit its growth and global competitiveness. 10 challenges facing manufacturing industries in India with examples. 1. Inadequate infrastructure. Poor roads, congested ports, and unreliable rail transport increase production and delivery costs. Example: delays at ports like Jawaharlal Nehru Port affect export schedules. 2. Unreliable power supply. Frequent power cuts disrupt production and increase reliance on expensive generators. Example: small textile units in Tamil Nadu often depend on diesel generators. 3. Shortage of skilled labor. Many workers lack technical skills required for modern manufacturing. Example: advanced automobile plants struggle to find trained machine operators. 4. High cost of production. High energy costs, logistics expenses, and taxes increase overall production costs. Example: Indian steel producers face higher logistics costs than competitors in China. 5. Limited access to modern technology. Many industries use outdated machinery, reducing productivity and quality. Example: small-scale manufacturing units still rely on old manual equipment. 6. Complex regulations and bureaucracy. Lengthy procedures and multiple approvals delay industrial projects. Example: setting up a factory often requires approvals from several government departments. 7. Environmental regulations. Strict environmental laws increase compliance costs for manufacturers. Example: chemical industries must invest heavily in pollution control equipment. 8. Global competition. Indian manufacturers face stiff competition from cheaper imports. Example: domestic electronics manufacturers compete with low-cost Chinese products. 9. Limited research and development, R&D winking face. Low investment in R&D reduces innovation and product improvement. Example: few Indian firms develop original high-tech products compared to global brands. 10. Access to finance. Small and medium enterprises, SMEs, often struggle to obtain affordable loans. Example: many MSMEs rely on informal lenders due to limited bank credit.